On the ground, when there are freezing conditions and precipitation, airlines use a technique called de-icing on their fleet of aircraft. Frozen contaminants cause critical control surfaces to be rough and uneven, which is going to interfere and disrupt the airflow over a plane's wings. When this happens, the plane's lift and drag is going to be impacted. This could result in a catastrophe mid-flight. Additionally, if large pieces of ice separate when the aircraft is in motion, then they can be ingested in the engines or hit propellers and cause catastrophic mechanical failure. Frozen contaminants can jam control surfaces, preventing them from moving properly. De-icing techniques are also employed to ensure that engine inlets and various sensors on the outside of the aircraft are clear of ice or snow. Once